Hey, what's going on YouTube? Sayyed Musa Kalim from Epicop, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create tabs in Ionic 3, and also I'm gonna show you how you can place your tabs at the top of the page. So before we get started, I would like to show you the documentation, ionicframework.com, and here under the component section you have tabs. There are different kinds of tabs: text and icon, badge tabs. So these are the different tabs which you could use in your Ionic app, and here it is explained briefly. So you can visit this document to know more about tabs. So we'll see how we can create tabs in Ionic 3. So let's get started. So as you can see here, this is my page .html page, and inside this page I'm gonna take ion tabs element, and inside this I'm gonna take element called ion tab, and I'm gonna say that if this tab gets clicked, then we will be redirected to the tab 1 root page, which I'll show you later in the video. In this video, first we'll see how we can use and how we can assign the attributes to Ion tab. So I'm gonna give a title to this tab as home, and the type icon will be home. So let's copy this Ion tab and paste it down here. So I'm gonna take three tabs inside Ion tabs. So let's change this to Ion. Let's change this to tab 2 root, this to tab 3 root, and change the text as well. I'm gonna give about, and this one will be context. Let's change this to information circle, because we most of the time we see that about page comes with a information circle icon. Let's change this to friends. The contacts tab show at the top, it shows the friends icon. So we are done now with the HTML part, and now we'll see how we can assign pages to the tabs. I mean to say that if anyone clicks the tab, then some page needs to be, or some data needs to be present inside the page. So for that I'm gonna take home page, and I'm gonna change this to home, copy this home and paste it here. So now we'll see tab 1 root equals to home page, tab 2 root equals to start page. And I'm not going to assign a page for tab 3 root. As you can see here, when this tab gets clicked, this tab 1 root will assign the home page to the content, and when this tab 2 root, this tab root gets clicked, the start page will assigned to the tab 2 root page. So let's save these two files, and now we'll see how it looks on our browser on Ionic Lab. It is running now. It might take some time to, and we'll see. Yeah, it is ready. You could visit this documentation. It's a beautiful documentation, and you can also explore other things like the options for tabs. You can see here inside the template, the different ways. It shows different ways how you can create tabs in Ionic app. So I'm just showing the basic one. These all are the options. This is the toggle part, which is not the topic of this video. So we'll focus on the tabs. And also you can visit the API section as well. If you visit documentation, then you will get an option for API, for an API. Here you can see below the component section, and inside API you have tabs element as well, tabs component as well. So basically it shows on all three platforms. It is taking more time. Yeah, it is ready now. Our homepage will appear now. Yeah, it is ready. Now we'll see the tabs. When we click this button, it is not showing because of this error. Yeah, you can see here we did one mistake here. We'll remove the string part and we'll save it again. We don't have to give the page names as a string. We just need to pass it as a page name itself. We'll see now. Yeah, this is the tab. These are the tabs, three tabs: recents, favorites, and settings. You can also add some more stuff. Here you can see we have different icons with different options and with beautiful design as well. So you can also contribute to this using improve this document option. It is running, our application is running. We'll see this part. Yeah, you can see here you can also contribute in this part, which is the tabs part, on GitHub. So my laptop is a bit slow, so it is taking more time to compile and to load. When we click this page, yeah, you can see here we have three different options at bottom: home, about, and contacts. I haven't given any option on contacts because I have to generate one more page for that. If you want to use, or if you want to assign a new page to contact section, then you can give. So these are the two pages, these are the three tabs which you could use inside your tabs section. So what if you want to place this tabs section at the top of the page here below the nav bar? I'll show you that how you can place your tabs section at the top of the page. So let's do it now. What you need to do is you need to go to the app.module.ts file, and inside imports array you just need to give, or you just need to pass a parameter, and that parameter will be tabs placement of top, comma, this tabs placement which is of type top. I'm assigning top, so it brings your tab section at the top of the page. So let's save this and we'll see will it work or not. Probably it work because the tabs placement attribute is used to place your tab section in the page. So default it takes at the bottom, but if you want to uh, place your tab section at the top of the page, then you could use this method. Now we'll see the placement of tab on our page. So I was showing you this. You can contribute on GitHub using the improve this document option, and also you can read about the different options which is present right here on the documentation. As you can see here, the indexes are also available for tab section. Our application is ready. Now we'll see the placement of our tab section. Yeah, it is ready. We'll jump to the page. Yeah, it is not working. We'll see. Yeah, I have given top the I have given T, the first letter of top T, as caps 1, but we don't need to give any capital letter here. We just need to give the small top word. So I was doing that mistake. I have saved it, and now we'll see the changes. So remember this part. If you want to place your tabs at the top of the page, then you could use this method. And also, if you don't want your uh, navbar here in the header, you can also remove this, so that your tab section will fully will occupy the above space, the navbar space. If you don't want this, then you can remove this Ion navbar part from your header. Now we'll see the placement of tab. It is ready now. We'll jump right to the page and we'll see the changes which we have done in app.module.ts. You can play around with your tab section. About the placement, I am talking about the placement. You can place at top, and by default it takes the bottom position. So it is ready. Now we'll jump to the page and we'll see. Yeah, it is working now. You can see here the three tabs are showing at the top of the page. Using this placement, tabs placement, you can place your tab section at the top of the page. Hope you understand about the tabs and the placement of tabs in Ionic 3. You can use this method to place your tabs at the top of the page. By default it takes bottom position. So hope you understand and hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel, and watch my earlier videos on Firebase authentication as well. Thanks for watching this video, and please drop your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.